Welcome back to today's YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to teach you a little bit of ukulele. I'm only going to teach you one of the chords. F, C, A, and A minor. That's all I'm going to teach you for today. First one we're going to learn is C. It's pretty easy. But the first we need to know how to hold it. If you write with your right hand, then you would put it like this, and you would strum with your right hand, and you will hold it down with your left hand. If you hold it with your left hand, you would strum with your left and hold down with your right. Now it's whatever. Now so you can go down here or go up here. Most of the time, it's just kind of like where your belly button is. Okay? And I want you to practice putting your first finger going up. You got that? Then I want you to practice. Now we're going to learn C. So, your first finger is going to be your pointer finger. Your second finger is going to be your middle finger. And your third finger is going to be your ring finger. Okay? So, first you're going to put your third finger right here. Third, second, first. Your third finger, your ring finger, it's going to go right here on your ukulele. Okay? And just press it down and just strum. That's C. Now we're going to learn F. That's when you put your middle finger here and you put your pointer finger right here. Okay? And just strum. Now remember, that only the fingers can touch. Now you might have someone in your family that knows a little bit about this, and they will help you get into position, tell you that you're not allowed to touch this with your arm, or it's gonna make. And you don't want that. Now we're gonna learn A minor. That is when you put your middle finger right on the second one right there. And just do that. See, that's really helpful. Next, we're going to learn, let's see, A. That's when you put your middle finger like A minor, and then you're going to put, instead of putting your pointer finger down there like F, you're just going to put it above, right there on that second string. And then just strum. It's going to get complicated. Now we're going to do G. Your first one goes there, your pointer finger, and then your middle finger goes right there like that. And then that one goes just right. Wait, that one goes there and that one goes there. So there's a space in between, and then that's where the ring finger goes. It's very complicated. And there's so many more. Look how many more you can learn. That's a lot more left that I'm going to show in different videos. Well, those are all we have today. So make sure you get a comment down. Subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.